The pressure switch cover consists of the plastic cover, the on-off switch, and the mounting screw. The cover protects the switch and the electrical connections. The cover is usually replaced because of accidental damage, such as something hitting it. Replacing the pressure switch cover is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the cover from the pressure switch. There's limited clearance between the cover and the motor. It's hard to get a screwdriver in there to remove the screw. A trick you can use is to use a small Phillips driver bit and a 1/4-inch wrench. Now I can install the new cover. I need to make sure that I align the switch with the post. I'll just make sure that it switches on and off before I secure the screw. And that looks good. And that's how easy it is to replace the pressure switch cover on your air compressor. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.